Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
You know that Haley Baker chick?
Yeah.
Do you know Dawson?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's dating her, right?
Holy Lord.
He got nudes from her.
No.
Yeah.
That's gross.
He did it just to get them to expose her. Like, he's not a guy that likes it. He's funny. He's one of the funnier ones.
Yo, I'm watching the Toronto game.
Toronto? So what, you can't play?
No, I can play. It's on at 8:30.
Well, why do you say you're watching it then? Like, are you gonna, like, not play when you're, like, you're watching or whatever? Well, like, you can't watch it any other way, right?